Russia has again has imposed fines on Facebook and Google, but this time this fine amount is quite huge. Now this is a general phenomenon in Russia where Western companies like Facebook, Google, and Telegram are usually fined on some frivolous charges, but this time the amount is used. Now the reasons given by the diplomatic reasons given by Russia and the real reasons are quite different to each other. So why this has been done and what is the real motive of doing this is somehow related to this man is somehow related to this man. So first we'll go to the news that record $125 million fine has been slapped on Google and Facebook over banned content. Now this what is this banned content? Actually, as per Russian law, as per Russian law, they do not allow, I mean, the posts related to drug abuse, weapons, explosives, or extremist views. These posts were asked by judiciary, some local court of Russia, to remove this content, but it was not removed. These are the charges. So this is the reason given by them. These are the diplomatic reasons given by them that this was the reasons for imposing fines on these companies. The thing is, this local court in Moscow called Tagansky District Court, it ruled that Google repeatedly neglected to remove the banned content and ordered the company to pay an administrative fine of about 7.2 billion rubles. This rubles is a Russian currency. So this was the reason, but the real reason, as I said, was that this guy, this man, Mr. Alexei Navalny, he is a strict critic of Putin. He is a strict rival of Mr. Vladimir Putin. He has been exposing a lot of his corruption, and this was the reason that the post related to the post related promoting this guy on social media like Google and Facebook. They were he's a founder of the party Russia of the Future Party, and this party, the members of this party, has been circulating a lot of his content. Like even he runs his own YouTube channel where he has exposed a lot of corruption being done under Putin's rule, how human rights are being abused, how Mr. Putin has been building his own empire in one part of the country. So these things he has been exposing a lot. Mr. Alexei Navalny, and last year we heard that he was poisoned, like he was poisoned with a nerve agent mid-air, and he was medically lifted to Berlin where he underwent treatment for few months, and as soon as he returned to Russia, he was arrested again. So this guy, basically, Putin wants this guy to die. He doesn't want this guy to stay, and this was the reason that everything. I mean, Russia has been doing everything to finish off this guy because he has been a contender for presidential election in 2018. So he could not win, and since then he has been under arrest. He has been convicted on some frivolous charges, and he has been kept under arrest. But the members of his party, Russia of the Future Party, the members of his party has been promoting his ideology. They have been exposing a lot of corruption being done under by Putin, as alleged by these people. So they, as a whole, we can say that he is the face of opposition. So this was the reason. This was the basic major reason that Putin judiciary, the judiciary, local courts in Moscow, they have been imposing a lot of fines, imposing sanctions on these Western companies, and they have threatened that if they do not pay the fine, they may block it permanently in Russia. So we can see that the inclination of Putin's toward this authoritarian rule is getting a lot of traction these days, and he does not want rivals in his country. He does not want his rivals, to stay in Russia. So this was one of the reasons. So as we say that, and obviously these things, weapons, explosive, extremism, I think the most of the dark web, most of the things are being run by mostly by Russian people. So these frivolous charges does not stand the ground. The reason, and obviously Mr. Putin does not like the Western companies. He does not want this Western companies to prosper. I mean, the Facebook, Meta, Google, they are all are based in America. So that's it.